Hey! Today we're drawing a hibiscus flower step by step using simple pencil shapes. I'll show you how this goes from a basic circle to a full flower. And stay with me because the shading step at the end really brings the petals to life. There are only 6 easy steps, and step 4 is where the flower suddenly starts looking real. So let's jump in. Start with a circle. Don't worry about perfection, this is just our guide. Add a small center dot and a gentle curve for the stem. This tiny mark becomes our anchor point for everything else. It's where the structure begins. From the center, draw light guidelines and overlapping circles for the petals. Think loose, not precise. Messy guidelines usually lead to more natural looking flowers. And there's not one way to go about this. You can do whatever works best for you. If you think that it's easier to create each petal by overlapping and then going back and erasing, then that's fine. If you want to freehand your petals and just see how everything turns out, that works too. Remember, it's all practice. Now add thin lines and tiny circles for the stamen and pistil, and see how fast it starts to read as a hibiscus. Now you need to return to your guidelines and expand the leaves with curved edges. Let your lines flow instead of forcing them. Your artistic confidence will grow with repetition. Add final guides for the stem and leaves. Light pressure keeps corrections easy. So as you see, this flower is really coming together. These 6 easy steps have given us the bare bones that we need to create our hibiscus. In a moment, I'll show you the fastest way that I've learned to define petals without over detailing. I've seen some amazing creators and artists who have a great eye for detail and shading, and I'm not there yet, but that's not going to stop me from practicing and trying and enjoying the journey. Now we define. Line weight adds depth without extra shading. Use soft directional shading. Petals curve, so your pencil strokes should as well. And let me encourage you, even light shading adds dimension. So if you're a return viewer, I really appreciate you. And if you're a new viewer, I always like to throw in some fun facts about whatever I'm drawing. The best way to define this flower is bold and vibrant. You can find this plant in many warm tropical climates. I would love to be in a tropical climate right now. Can anybody else agree? As we close this out, you want to erase gently. Keep the structure and lose the clutter. I found that gum erasers lift without damaging the paper. So tell me what you think. Do you feel like this was an easy tutorial? Can you see yourself grabbing your art supplies and taking some time out for yourself and creating something beautiful? I think you can do it. And there we have our hibiscus, built from simple shapes, relaxed lines, and patience. If you enjoyed this step-by-step flower tutorial, check out my flower drawing playlist next. Subscribe for more beginner-friendly art and keep creating. Okay, I'm gonna go and get back to the drawing board.